What I wish I knew as a kid instead of scaring myself silly to stop hiccups. Alright folks, we all know hiccups are the worst. But fear not, I've got 3 foolproof tricks to banish those pesky hiccups. First up, grab a glass of water and drink it upside down. Yes, you heard me right, bend over and sip from the opposite side of the glass. Looks weird, but hey, it works. Next, try the hold your breath challenge. Take a deep breath and hold it for as long as you can. Then, slowly exhale. Simple, yet effective. And for the grand finale, grab a spoonful of peanut butter. Yep, that sticky goodness can do wonders. Eat it slowly and let the magic happen. So next time those hiccups come knocking, you'll be ready to kick them out with these tips. Cheers to a hiccup-free life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes. See you in the next one.